20 Business Ideas in Botswana. Hello and welcome. Today, we will share 20 business ideas you can start in Botswana. These ideas are simple and can help you earn money. And number 18 of the business ideas is a game changer. And please subscribe to this channel. 1. Goat farming. In a village near Morn, Thabo started with 5 goats. Today, he sells goats at the market and makes good money. 2. Mobile food truck Lebo in Gaborone converted an old van into a food truck. Now, she serves burgers and vet coke to workers every lunchtime. 3. Car wash business. After school, Neo opened a car wash with 2 friends. They wash over 20 cars a day. 4. Poultry farming Mfo started with 50 chickens. Now, she sells eggs and fresh meat to shops in Francistown. 5. Hair salon or barber shop Tumi opened a small salon in her backyard. Now, clients book in advance for braids and haircuts. 6. Street vending Dinio sells fresh fruits and snacks outside a school. She makes enough to care for her 2 children. 7. Tuck shop, Spaza shop. Pule turned one room of his house into a small shop. His neighbors love the convenience. 8. Tailoring and fashion design Neo learned tailoring from her grandmother. Now, she makes uniforms and wedding dresses. 9. Mobile money agent Caletso set up a mobile money booth near the bus rank. People come daily to send and receive cash. 10. Farming fresh vegetables Bame grows spinach and tomatoes near Cerro. She supplies fresh vegetables to local restaurants. 11. Laundry services Naledi washes and irons clothes for busy professionals. She earns weekly and has loyal customers. 12. Transport, Kombi, or taxi. Kugosi saved money and bought a minibus. He now drives people to town and earns daily. 13. Brickmaking Bocello uses local soil to make bricks. Builders buy from him for houses and walls. 14. Beekeeping and honey production. In Kanye, Fato started keeping bees. He sells clean, natural honey at the market. 15. Local handcrafts. Agnes weaves baskets and sells them to tourists. Her colorful work is now exported too. 16. Recycling business Otzile collects cans and bottles in the city. He sells them to recycling companies and earns cash. 17. Internet cafe and printing services. Kyo opened a small shop with Wi-Fi and printing. Students and workers come daily. 18. Photography business Keddy started taking photos at weddings and events. Now, he has his own studio. 19. Catering services Bontel loves cooking. She now provides food for meetings and parties. People love her tasty beef stew and pap. 20. Digital marketing services Ludo helps small shops sell on Facebook and WhatsApp. She earns monthly fees from clients.